Hello, my name is Sami Korhonen. Welcome to a short unboxing video. One of my most used home automation systems. Sensibo Sky, this is the box. I bought this Sensibo Sky, any air conditioner or heat pump smart. It works with HomeKit, Apple, Siri, Google Assistant and Alexa. Basically any air conditioner, control it from your smartphone. I have an air heat pump which uses a remote, and I have these downstairs and upstairs. Because we share the outdoor unit, you cannot have heating upstairs and cooling downstairs. There are two different versions of this. This is the Sensibo Sky. So let's do the unboxing. Say hello to Smart Sensing AC. So this is the box. I have the EU version of it. You get the cable, which is nice. Even iPhones these days don't have well, I think they send the cable but they don't send the adapter, so. And that's all you get in the box. So this goes here and this goes here. You power on, place the device so it can see your AC. Once you have your device installed, the app allows you to have quick on and off and adjust the temperature. You can adjust also the schedule so it goes on or off, or changes the state from cooling to warming on different times and different weekdays. The horizontal and vertical swings, if they are in your AC, you can also adjust these. Here you have graphs. You can check out the temperature and the moisture. If you want to have more automations based on those graphs, those statistics, you have to pay for a subscription. You can change the mode also from cooling to heating. And if you like the content, drop a like, subscribe. This is a new channel, but we will be bringing new videos of tech gadgets, home automation and other cool stuff.